Hello everybody and welcome to this Windgoo video. I was hoping to not have to make a Windgoo video too soon, but unfortunately the other day when I was riding the bike, I take the kids to school on it. They sit on my lap as we're going along, and I have a 3-year-old on it, and as we're going along the seat just kept going further and further back, and I thought it was the seat tilting backwards, but then when I actually looked into it, it was the seat frame, the bar of it, had actually bent itself. So in this video, I'm going to I've purchased a couple of bits. I purchased a new seat, and I've purchased a new bar with suspension in it. Yeah, so we're going to open them up, have a look, and do a few upgrades from it all. I'll show you the pictures now. I can't show you it before. Basically, what I did is I chopped it down. I chopped off, it was bent at an angle like that, and I actually chopped it off. But by doing so, the seat now is way too low, and I need to have it higher, so I need to get a new one. And I have contacted Windgoo about it, but unfortunately, they don't have any stock of the seats in the country at the moment, and I need it daily, so I've just gone out and I've just gone and bought myself some new ones. So they said that when they get them back in stock, they'll send them straight out to me. So I'm happy enough with that. But for this, I just needed to get it quickly. So I'll get the bits out that I've got. This is Bella. This is the dog, she's 1, and she is full of beans at the moment, aren't you, darling? So yeah, right, let's get the boxes. She'll help open them up, no doubt. All right, what's this? Oh, what have we got? So I bought a couple of bits. I'll put the links in the description below to what I've bought. I genuinely can't remember what I have bought. All I know is they weren't particularly expensive. So here we have, what's in this one? What's in this one? This is the seat. This is the seat. Yes, it is. So here we have a Dripe X seat. It comes with a spanner and what looks to be like a high visibility thingy. I went with it because it looked quite cool. It was green. To be honest with you, it doesn't look a great deal different to the seat that I've already got, even to the bits underneath. So seat, this is the new seat. You can eat the old seat if you like, because I'm not going to need it. Got a little bit of a tear there. So yeah, so I'm going to put the seat on. Dripe, as I said, with the nice green. My son likes green. And it come with a spanner as well. I think this was about £16, so it wasn't exactly mega money. Gosh, dog, will you go away? Eat that one. And then in here, this is going to be the pole, stem. It's got a stem. So being a mechanic, I'm hoping it's not going to be too hard to do. Here we go. And I also bought, I forgot that. I got some pegs. Because as I say, I take the kids on it all the time. And it's hard to sit us both on. So what I'm going to be able to do, hopefully I'm going to be able to sit them on it, and then I can stand on the back pegs, which I'm going to put on the back post, or maybe even on the front ones. We'll have a look. We'll have a look and see what we can do. So here is the. Do I have an invoice? No, I don't. Let's just have a look. Let's just open it up. The links will be in the description, I promise. Feels quite good. It's Galloper Cycling Technologies. I had to measure the diameter. Don't just go out and buy it, I have to measure it. I think it was 28.2 was the diameter of this one. You've got 27.6 and 28.2, so there's not much in it. Okay. Yeah, that fits. It's good. Got a bit of dampening. I think you can adjust the dampening. I'll loosen it off. It's a bit harder. tighten it up. Yes, a lot more. I'll try and do it loads. Like the same. So there we go. There is the pole that we're going to be using. I'll put it nice and close. So this is the pole. Yeah, shock absorbed pole we're going to be doing. And then we're going to be putting, obviously, the seat in the middle there, and then tightening it up. And then we can attach it all into there, like that. So I will use the spanner that's been provided to test out how good the spanner is. What I should always probably do is do a bit on one side, and then a bit on the other side, to evenly tighten the seat up. There we go. So complicated. And then it says minimum, and then 10 steps of alloy construction. So they want us to put in the minimum amount as well. There we go, and then we can move it down and up. We can have to move it down where we want it, or move it up to where we need it. So we'll put it on the one. We'll tighten that up. Oh, that's better. That's so much better now. Oh yeah, you see that? Suspension. Seat suspension now. So now I've got some seat suspension. Very good. Let's tighten that up all the way. Let's see how it goes. It's a bit jerky. It's not very smooth. What are you eating? You're eating some mud. She's eating mud. Right, go on, go away. So there we have our Drip-X seat. That's quite nice. That's quite. I mean, this isn't a bad seat. Do you know what I mean? You can see the difference in length that we've gone with. And from where I chopped it down to what we've got on the new one, you know, that is an insane difference. Holding them on the bottom. And I didn't chop that much off. I chopped a bit off, to be fair, but not that much. Right, out, Bella. Come on, out. Come on, out, out. Get out. Put that in here. Into the minimum. Perfect. So that's the new seat that we've got installed. And then now I'll get the required bits that we need to take off spokes. What are we thinking? On the back? So if we're on the back, then I can, or if we're on the front, we'll put them on the front. So, here we go. What we're going to do, we've got a 16mm spanner. Just going to spin it on the other side. Right. There are new pegs. Quite fat, actually, quite chunky. Here they are. There's the new pegs we're going to be putting on. So this is not thick enough. So what we need, the centre diameter of these is not as thick as the centre diameter of that. Well, it's the same thickness, but the thread is different. So what I'm going to do, because I'm a mechanic, I'm going to go and I'm going to tap these to the bigger size. Perfect. That's what we've done there. We've gone outside, tapped the hole, made it a bit bigger. It's on lovely jubbly. There we go. So there we have the new seat fitted with the suspension bar on it there, which is pretty cool. It's just nice, gives us some suspension there. I've also got the front forks. Two reasons mainly. When I'm going along, like, be alright to just sort of, you know, put your feet up on here. Just deal with your feet. So obviously when you're putting along, it's great. When you're just like going along, sometimes I just like to put my feet forward, you know, have it like that. And also I can put the kids on the front there and see if it'll take my weight. Yeah, I'll take my weight, 12 stone. So there we go, a few little quick mods that I've done to the Windgoo. As you say, new seat. The other seat was fine, and unfortunately it broke. I'll show you a picture on that one. And yeah, as I say, the front bit's on there. So hope you liked it, guys. Catch you on the next one.